Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to go to straight hair to really curly hair using only Frexi Rod and a curling iron. So stay tuned if you want to see this tutorial, and also I have a tutorial on my makeup. This is the video that was just right before, so I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it. So stay tuned. So first, what you want to do is separate your hair. I always start at the base of my hair. So I'm going to clip everything else upward just to make sure nothing is in the way. So you want to take a small section, not too big, not too small. I guess the smaller you take it, the curlier it will be. So I have a 1-inch curling iron by Babyliss. So what you want to do is just curl your hair. If you do it the way I did it, it's going to go outwards. The curl is going to go outward. You want to leave it on for at least like 10 seconds to 20 seconds. So you get a nice curl and you want it to set in your hand. Let it cool off a bit before you release it. And then I'm going to take another strand of hair, about the same amount of hair. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Since we're using Frexi Rods, you can curl a lot of like strands of hair before you actually put the Frexi Rods on. Like, you'll see what I mean. So now I have 2 strands of hair of my Frexi Rods. I'm gonna add it to the Frexi Rod. I could have curled a bit more hair for one Frexi Rod, to be honest, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. And then I'm just gonna let it sit right just like that. So you're gonna have to do all your whole head. I don't curl my leave out because anyways my hair is so fine, so it doesn't stay curly. So this is how it should look like. And to be fair, I take out my U-part wig when I curl, so after that I put it on. So next I'm gonna do my edges. I'm using my toothbrush, and I'm gonna use my teasing brush. In my last tutorial, when I did my how I blend my leave out to my U-part wig, it's the exact same thing. So if you guys want to see it, I'm gonna leave this link down below also, so you guys can check it out. And then I'm gonna put a headband, make sure it's secure, and then I'm gonna put a scarf just so it's a bit more tight because my headband is kind of loose lately. So while this sets, I'm just gonna take off all the Frexi Rods. If you want it to be really curly, I wouldn't do that in one day. You can always do it like the night before. Curl all your hair, put the Frexi Rods, sleep on it. Like I said, I take out the wig, I curl it, and then I leave the wig on on my vanity or whatever. And then next morning I put it on, and then I take out the Frexi Rods, so it's easier for me. But the longer you leave the rods on, the better the curl will be. And also it's gonna last way longer. I don't put hairspray. The only product that I put, sometimes I put a bit of oil, just put some shine into the hair. And that's about it. Once all the Frexi Rods are out, you just want to take a brush it out because it's really curly right now. Honestly, I don't like it the first day. I like it like the day after, when it's a bit more loose. So you just want to make sure there's no tangle. And like I said, you see my leave out, like it blends perfectly even if I didn't curl it. So after that, this is when I take off my headband. So I'm going to take off the scarf first, and then I'm going to take off my headband. You just want to make sure that it's set, so make sure it's dry. And then you want to brush your leave out, blend it with your U-part wig or your extensions, whatever you have. And then this is how it should look like. So you see your hair is really curly, you get to play with it. Like I said, the next days are gonna be better. Like for me, I think it's better because it's more loose. Right now it's really curly. It's still nice, but I get to enjoy it in like a week at least. So I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye guys.